Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. In this episode we are making Turkish style steamed fish with veggies, ekşili palamut. It's a very traditional dish, especially in Black Sea region. I'm going to use palamut dish which is bonito, but I'm sure you can use the same recipe with other local fishes you have where you live. So let's get started. Recently I shared a vlog with you about Başakşehir area, my school morning routine. And that day, after a meeting with my friends, I went to a local bazaar to buy some food. In Turkey, fish season begins in September, and first fish you see on the market is usually bonito fish, which we call palamut. After I returned back home, first thing I did was to get rid of the bloody parts from the fish and wash it under the water. Using a strainer to drain the water is a good choice here. We need to dry the fish as much as we can. Next, I'm going to prepare the veggies, which is 2 medium-sized onions. I'm gonna cook 2 bonito fish, which was about 150 grams, I think. So actually for that amount, I could have added 1 more onion. It's up to you if you want to eat with more veggies or not. I cut the onions in half and then slice it. Going to saute in olive oil for about 3-4 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna peel 2 medium size, or big is also even better, ripened tomatoes, and just cut it in cubes. And after my onions got some color, I added the tomatoes. I'm gonna roughly chop handful of parsley and going to add it later. To give an extra flavor, I just added about a teaspoon butter, and my onions is like halfway cooked. I added the parsley and about 1/4 of a cup hot water. Just cook, make sure the onions are a bit soft, because it's not gonna take to cook the bonito fishes when you add. Before placing the fish fillets, get some of the sauteed vegetable to another plate and arrange the fishes and just scatter around rest of the veggies over the fish. More parsley on top, and we are ready to cook. It doesn't take much, like 8 to 10 minutes. It's enough time for me to make a shepherd salad and prepare the table. Within 8 minutes, my fish is cooked truly. I turn off the heat, sprinkled some more parsley on top, and let it sit to cool down a bit for about 5 minutes before serving. It's very delicious and a healthy way of cooking a fish. Cooking in the steam with all the veggies together, it really makes a different taste. You may serve a light soup before the fish, but for us it was okay to have it ready after a busy day within half an hour. You can watch the vlog, what I did the same day, from the links. The tulumba dessert I bought was also very delicious and went well with the dish, but traditionally we also serve a tahini helva after the fish meals in Turkish cuisine. Hopefully in another episode I can show you how to serve it. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the links for similar recipes. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.